neguzuri. So this is for your eyes. Usually, if you have a lot of migraine, such things are good for you. Then they have patches for your shoulders. They have soap. You get such things too. These are gummy bags. In Japan, we don't pay for garbage, we pay for garbage bags. Laundry soap, cleaning soap, washing soap, light bulbs, USB chargers, what do you call that? Extension board. Facial masks, room aromas and diffusers, toilet room fresheners, more diffusers, toilet rolls, laundry hangers, pegs, dress aromas, laundry. Then you come to diapers for adults. Adult diapers, there are so many kinds. Then you have sanitary pads. High calorie health science. 150 calories for this. So usually there are people who want superfoods. They need enough energy, but they don't want to eat much. Find those. So more adult diapers. That's how it looks like. Then snacks. We have a lot of snacks here. These are rice crackers, Japanese rice crackers, Ghana chocolate. So when I tell you Ghana is very famous for chocolate here in Japan, you should understand. They have all these chocolates, Ghana. More chocolates. Make sure you don't get diabetes in Japan. They have so many sweet options. Please be careful. Rice, seaweed, ramen, more rice, ramen, noodles, instant noodles, water. Water is very cheap here. Yep. Then drinks. Oh, coffee. I think they have matcha around here too. Oh, there's Milo. Rooibos tea. Margarine and the likes. Fruits, potatoes, instant ramen, chips, roast mushrooms, chicken breast, all chicken. Ooh, that was hot. Bikan, cheese, green tea, energy drink. This is a shoulder patch. We have thing. These patches. Then looking around, have beauty stuff. So this hand soap is so cute. That's how it comes. Comes as a puff hand. Beauty moisturizing and balancing serum. They have testers usually. You can try it to be sure you like it before you try. More beauty stuff, cream care, facial washes, body soaps, shampoos, everything. Or sunflower gloves and repair. Isn't that cool? Then they always have a makeup section. Always. There's an advertisement. Just look at that. They almost always have makeup section, beauty section. Nose mask, ties, face cream, see. Makeup. I've been asked severally of the kind of toothpaste I use. I always use high quality toothpaste because your teeth are very important. I've tried this Oratemi, the whole collection, and I think it's very good. The stain clear brush is very good, and I mean the stain clear toothpaste is very good. The next one I recommend is Gum. Gum is also very good. Gum Plus. Umento has this super cool brush that you can use. So for the other brands, the only thing is I've not used them before, so I don't know. So if your brand they want me to try your toothpaste and give a review, just let me know. Thank you. Bye. I've also tried this brand, Shiumi Tokuro. It's also good. And I think the other one I've tried is Kurinika. Kurinika. I don't know where it is. Let's find it. Kurinika. What is it? Okay, this is their mouthwash, Kurinika. But I have to find, where is it? I can't believe it. Oh yeah, Nonyoto is a good brand. Nonyoto is good. And oh, I can't find Kurinika today. Well, at least you heard it. So that's Kurinika. This is the mouthwash. You can find the toothpaste. And if you want a travel size, this is very suitable for travel size. You can carry it along. If not, you can also just buy them individually and make your own travel size. And yeah, if you want cute toothpaste too, you can get it here. Oh, that's Kurinika! Yeah, found it. Okay. I usually buy my toothbrushes from Town because I know they are much more expensive. Yeah, but I like them because of the quality. And so if you don't want to use the normal brushes, you can opt for brown, Oral-B brown. They have the Yawaraka is the soft multi-action. This is multi-action, so this can be used for lots of things, but this is just soft, the soft one. Then this one can be maybe hard to soft. So if you want the mechanical ones, you can try this as well. It's usually pricey, and the good thing is you can just change the upper part and buy other ones too to fit in. Yep, and it's also usually pricey, but you need your teeth very clean. Systema also has this new kind that uses alkaline battery, and you can also buy like other stuff too. So thank me later. Bye. If you're buying a toothbrush and you don't know which one to buy, there are usually two types. We have the hard and we have the soft. So let me show you with this brand, for instance. Futu means general, so that will usually be soft to hard, and katame means hard. So these ones usually be harder than the futu, and sometimes the katame has different colors, just like the futu as well. So you've got to check that. So this is katame, also hard, soft, or general, hard.